Create a mobile view only section in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a section that you're going to find it, or the users that are going to be finding this specific section only on the mobile version or the mobile view and not on the desktop. So it is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, head over our account dashboard after we have signed in. Select the website, and then we are going to see the editor. So the purpose from this method or this tutorial is going to let you have a specific section or a duplicate section that you're going to have a better design for the mobile view, and also not a confused design within the specific, let's say here, desktop view. But before I access the specific their coding or the CSS that I am going to add, which is of course is going to be mentioned on the description section, we need to head over the Chrome Web Store, and depending on the navigator that you're going to use, because it is going to be available on whatever navigator, you need to search for Squarespace ID Finder. You're going to install it, and then basically we are going to have the IDs of the sections. Now, we are going to head over the website. As you can see, I'm going to select a section. For example, I'm going to have here edit. I can go ahead and see the mobile view and also the desktop view. Let's see here that we are going to modify a section that is going to be available only for the mobile. As you can see, this section, I do not like it much. As you can see here, it is not going to be looking that good. So I'm going to have maybe this or the images set up just like that. So I can go ahead and have the images here. The text, maybe I can go ahead and modify it just like that. So before I do that, I'm going to do something better. I'm going to duplicate that section. You're going to see. I'm going to have the section duplicated. So it is going to be the case in here. So I'm going to have maybe this one added like that. This one is going to be specific for that, and here we have it. Now, I do not like the design for the mobile version. So what I am going to do basically is to have this specific area. As you can see, I have duplicated it. I'm going to modify it as much as I want. For example, I'm going to delete that text. For example, I'm going to delete also this one from here. And I'm going to have it just like that. So I'm going to extend both of the images just like that. Let's say that we're going to be just having the images like this. Now, what I am going to do is to hide this one from the desktop. So we are going to hide it from the desktop, this one. What I am going to do that, I'm going to click on save first. And we are going to click on the exit button. And from here, we're going to head over the website tools, click on custom CSS. And now, as you can see, I have added many codes in here. Doesn't matter a lot. So we are going to have here this code. So what I am going to do basically is going to delete that code, so I'm not going to confuse you. Here we have a list of two codes. As you can see, section hiding from desktop, section hiding from mobile. So we are going to begin with this one. I have named them just like that. I'm going to paste that, and from this, as you can see, section data section ID, I am going to click on this button, or the find Squarespace IDs. We're going to scroll down and we are going to choose the one that I'm going to hide it from the desktop. So I'm going to have this section. I'm going to click on it, copy, make sure that you're going to have the section. I'm going to select the section here, paste it. Boom. As you can see, it has been hidden. I'm going to click on save. When I switch to the mobile version, I still see the two of them. So that means that I'm going to, instead of having or hiding this one that we have hidden from desktop, I'm going to hide the desktop version on the mobile. So we are going to head over the code again, and we are going to select the second one, section hiding for mobile. We're going to copy, paste the code right here, And we're going to select this section till the here bracket, or the bracket, not the parentheses. So I'm going to have this section, this one, hidden from the mobile. So we're going to have this section copied, pasted. You're going to click on save, and you're going to see that it is going to be hidden from the mobile. That was the purpose. You're going to find this code in this video description. If you do not understand it, well, repeat the video and you're going to see that it is going to be very simple. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.